He was tired of everything. Until love made him smile again, a true story of overcoming. What if love was your last strength when everything else had fallen apart? What if, in your weakest moment, someone showed up and simply made you smile? Get ready, because this story will touch your heart. Subscribe to the channel now to discover the power of true love, and prepare to be moved. Lucas was only 19 years old, with a heart full of dreams. He was studying photography, loved capturing genuine smiles, and believed every picture carried a story. It was on a golden morning on a busy city street that he met Helena, a girl with a gentle gaze and an inexplicable energy. She stood there holding an old camera, taking pictures of strangers and spreading kindness like someone tossing flowers into the wind. He approached shyly, and she smiled. From that moment on, they began writing a new story together. 4 months, they lived as if the world was made just for them. But life sometimes tests us in cruel ways. A motorcycle accident took away Lucas's ability to walk, and with it, his hope. He shut down, pulled away from everything, even from her. "You deserve someone whole," he'd say. But Helena didn't give up. She came back every day, sat beside him in silence, holding old photos and offering an unwavering smile. Until one rainy night, she arrived with a box full of memories. He cried. And even though he was tired, he smiled. It was then that Lucas understood. Love is what makes you smile when you're tired. Paulo Coelho. That phrase became a living truth before him. Her love didn't heal him physically, but it gave meaning to his pain and turned his darkness into light. He began again. He returned to photography, now from a new angle. The angle of resilience and soul. And today, if you ask him what saved him, he doesn't hesitate. It was love. That kind of love that doesn't give up, that stays when everything else falls apart. A love that asks for nothing and simply makes you smile. What did you think of this story? Comment below, leave a like, and share it with someone who needs to believe in love again. Subscribe now and support stories that touch the soul. Because sometimes, a simple smile is the beginning of everything. Make your donation through the link below. And if you have a motivational story, share it in the comments. Endless gratitude.